Hey guys, Tom here with cellphonetrek.com, and today I have the speed test for the Motorola Atrix 4G. I've also included the Inspire 4G for AT&T as well in here, just so it wouldn't get stage fright, so it had a buddy on stage with it. We're just going to go ahead and do a speed test, see what kind of speed test we come up with. However, I do feel we're not in a 4G enabled area for AT&T, as our speeds are quite low compared to the 4G speeds we see with the MyTouch 4G for T-Mobile in our area with our tests that we've had. So let's get into the speed test and see what kind of results we come up with. So here we go. We have our speedtest.net application up for Android. As you can tell, the last test we did, we received 1.2 megabits per second download and 0.3 upload. I received 0.3 megabits and 0.03 upload on the Atrix. This is just kind of depressing. Both are set to Tallahassee, Florida. It's the closest city to us. Let's go ahead and we'll test both of them here at the same time. Both are running about the same speed. We got about 0.9, pushing 1. Both are kind of pushing 1. We have a score of 1.29 megabits per second download on the Inspire and 1.07 download on the Atrix here. And then we have 0.35 and 0.32 for uploads, respectively. Now, this is not to say this is their 4G speeds. Obviously, we've seen 4G speeds for this phone go as high as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 megabits per second download, and respectively 4 or 5 for upload. So obviously this just means we're indoors and we're not in a 4G area, so we're running off the standard 3G or maybe even the Edge network. So it's a little disappointing, but at least it gives you an idea. If you're not in a 4G area, 1.07, 1.29, that's not a bad score to come up with. It's really not. So, and this is your day-to-day usage, because you're not always going to be in a 4G area. So these are more of a realistic experience of what you're going to get. Now, if you're in a Wi-Fi area, always use Wi-Fi. It's always much faster, better. You can even use the Atrix in a 4G area as a mobile hotspot. So definitely find out when you're buying this phone, if you're in a 4G enabled area and what the boundaries and limits of that 4G area are. Again, I'm Tom with cellphonetrek.com. Atrix, it's a great device, dual core processor, check it out, but always check to see if you have a 4G area in your network coverage where you live. Again, we're on Facebook, Twitter, check us out there at cellphonetrek on Twitter, facebook.com/cellphonetrek, like us there. And if you'd like, ask us any question through the comments here, comments on our channel page, or if you'd like to ask us a question on Twitter or Facebook, we're more than happy to answer it there as well. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have yourself a great day.